MetaTrader 5 Forex winning trading strategy. This is another strategy. I have combined few indicators together for this particular strategy. It is simple and anyone can use this to trade profitably on MetaTrader 5 Forex platform. This strategy is not meant for MetaTrader 4, though you can use this strategy on MetaTrader 4 platform if you have the indicators for MetaTrader 4 version. But these indicators I have on my chart is for MetaTrader 5 and not MetaTrader 4. In my video description, I dropped some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open a demo account with them first to try out their platform before you go ahead to deposit your hard-earned income. Let me tell you this also, no strategy is 100% accurate, and that is why you need money management. Make sure you follow money management on a daily basis. Do not be greedy. Just make sure you are consistent, winning on a daily basis, and you will be okay. Now let us move on to today's strategies. As I said, I have combined few indicators together. I have this arrow indicator here. I have the PTI indicator. This is a moving average. Then I have the MACD indicator here. Now let me explain how you can use this profitably. Now this indicator do not repaint. This PTI indicator do not repaint after candle close. This does not repaint too after candle close. Just make sure you allow the candle to close. None of the indicators on the chart do repaint when you allow the candle to close. So this is how I use this particular strategy. Let me explain from this particular point. Let's go back a bit. All right, let's start from this point. At this particular point, we have the PTI indicator here change to yellow. Yellow is for down, and I use black color for up trend. At this particular point, we have the yellow PTI indicator here, but when you check the lower indicator here, it remains green. So this is not advisable that you should enter a sell trade at this particular point. We do not have confirmation from other indicators. So at this particular point, we have the black PTI color, and the candle breaks above the 200 moving average. Then we have confirmation here, and when you go back a bit, we have the arrow indicator in agreement. At this particular point, we have the arrow indicator here. So this breaks above the 200 moving average. Then this is a long trend. You can keep on adding to your trade as long as you have all these indicators in agreement. And as you can see, we have a serious move to the upside. This is Euro Australia dollar, as you can see here. So at this point also, we have a break to the upside here. We have this in agreement. PTI was present, and we have this indicator here. So this did close above the moving average. We only have few pips here before the market turns, and your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low, and you write your trend, though we have only small pips here at this particular trade. And a few candles after, we have this present, this is present, and this did close below the 200 moving average, and we have a serious down movement. We have the confirmation here, and here you can enter your trade, add to your running trade, and get out when you think you are okay with what you've made. Make sure you have a target for each day, how many percent of your account do you want to grow. If it is 5% to 1%, once you hit 1%, make sure you close your trading for the day and wait till another day. So here we have another confirmation to go in this direction, to enter another sell position. This did deliver, and this is a simple strategy that you can use on any time frame you want. So if it is on 15 minutes, you can use it on 15 minutes. If it is on 1 minute, you can use it. Still the same methodology. Just make sure you trade when all the indicators are in agreement, and you will be fine. Now let's check this on the gold, and here is it on gold. Let's move back a bit and see. Okay, let's start the analysis from this particular point. We have the arrow here, we have the PTI indicator, we have this in agreement, but the markets still remain under 200 moving average until this particular point that they closed above the 200 moving average. The candle did close above the 200 moving average. You can place your trade here and keep on and allow your trade to run. Here is another point to add to your running trade. Though it keep on touching this particular point, but it couldn't break away from the line. The candle did not break away. Keep on touching it until it move back again. Then you can enter more trade. And this also is not a perfect place to enter. The two candles here did touch the moving average. We are looking for a breakaway from that particular moving average. So you can keep on adding to your trade. And here's another point to enter. Here's another point. Here's another point to enter. We have a lot of opportunity to continue to make more money trading in the direction of the main trend. So this is how to use this strategy profitably on MetaTrader 5. You can use it on any time frame you want, but just make sure you follow money management. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. I have the 311 semaphore, which I did not allow it to show, but if you want it, you can have it. This is a Kinachi indicator. This candle colored, that is what I use it for. Then the amplitude indicator, the red and black arrow. So these are the inputs, and these are the colors, the black and red color. Then the third indicator here is PTI indicator. The inputs are 3 and 18. Fast length is 3 and the slow length is 18. So these are the colors, the yellow and the black ball that we have on the chart. And we have the moving average, period 200, method simple, shift is 0, and apply to close. I did use a black color. Then we have the MACD trend volume indicators. So time frame is current, but if you want to check it on higher time frame and you want to trade this on lower time frame, you can actually use two moving average, set one for higher and the other one for lower time frame. But I didn't use that for this particular strategy. Maybe in another video I might try to show you how to use it on different time frame. So but for now I did use it on current time frame. So MACD fast period is 12, slow period is 26, and signal period is 9. Price is close, applied to close. So these are the input that I use, and these are the colors. You can change to any color or you want. So this So are the indicators I use for this particular strategy. As I said, it is simple to use. You can use it on any time frame you want. Just make sure you follow money management. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do check my video description to see some of the brokers that I do use, the regulated forex brokers that I do use. Check out if they are regulated in your area, and you can open an account with any of these brokers. Make sure you try out any strategy on demo account before you go live. Familiarize yourself with any strategy and make sure you are consistent in using it. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader, Joe, and bye for now.